Well, what a beautiful day. Oh, it's morning. What's the time, honey? It's only early, isn't it?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. And we've just come into here and we're going to have a look at a cave. We have seen it before and it's absolutely stunning. So we're going to bring you guys along so you can have a look also, as well as some friends on Ultimate Dream. So get ready for a bit of an exciting little cave venture. How clear the water is. Absolutely stunning. Hello, honey.
Hey.
Hi, guys.
Nice and clear, isn't it?
Oh, so nice.
Not like down the channel.
No, completely different.
Yeah.
Gold Coast.
Hey, let's go and have a little wee look. Still absolutely stunning. Torch so I can. It's so cool.
Just wow.
It was obviously a bit deeper last time because we could motor right in.
Oh yeah. We brought the torch this time so we could actually see. What do you want me to do? Colours. Amazing. It's so cool.
I did bring a torch. I didn't last time.
Whoa!
Don't jam us in there.
No. Incredible. I wonder if I could get up in there. Let me hold that for a sec.
Hey, let's hope Melissa doesn't go swimming.
Leg out. Torchy. Oh, something touched my feet.
Do you want the torch?
Yeah.
No, there, hello out there.
Be good if I could see properly. You want to come up and have a look?
No, I've got shoes and jeans on and socks. And I'll see it on the video you do.
Yes. I just don't want to.
No, don't. Get yourself safe, no?
Try not to.
How about stop? Click the torch again. You've clicked it.
Yeah, well, there's no life in here that I can see. Alrighty.
Is it still on?
Yeah.
Oh, see. Hopefully she won't fall over getting back in.
Let's hope not. Don't want to push it back a little bit.
No, you just hold on without falling in.
Just stay here for a minute. So I can video it as we go backwards, or
Yep.
so now I can get you in it as well. All right.
Beep, 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 beep.
Beep.
Right, coming back out.
It is very bright coming back down, but I think that's when we see some of the really pretty colours too, though, isn't it?
Yeah, when you look back,
Back in
the
it,
sunshine,
yeah. Oh, look at all these bugs crawling all over the place. It's beautiful. And we're out.
Hello!
They might have
They've been
found.
kidnapped by aliens.
So they might have found another one. You must take the torch in there. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
You see turn the torch off?
How beautiful.
It is.
And the sun's out.
Yep. Is it? It's off. I can't see
Yeah.
if it's on or not. Your turn, puppies, to go and have an adventure. Yeah. Hard to see. And there's Dakota waiting as normal. Hey, Dakota.